Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss few more visualizations in the upcoming lessons. Um, to begin with, what we'll try to understand is how to add multiple pages, all right, and also duplicate a page. So in order to add multiple pages onto this Power BI report, like for example, we have created this report as of now, and there's no space to add any more visualization, isn't it? So what we can do is we can add one more page onto this report. For that, I will click on this add button, and now it has come up like this, right? Now what I would do is I will go back to page 1 and try to copy these visualization segments, that is slicer. I will take the slicer, last refreshed, and the logo onto page 2 because this would be used in this page as well. And as soon as I copy pasted these items from page 1, it's asking me whether you need to sync or not. So you click on sync. That is what I would advise, because if you do any change here, like select any segment, it will reflect in page 1 as well, and vice versa. So it's better you sync. If you don't want to sync, if you want to slice the details on one page at a time, then click on don't sync. Okay, so I'll go with sync. Okay, so this is how you can add a page, all right, onto Power BI report. So in next sessions, as I mentioned, we will add few more visualizations which we will try to understand. We obviously created the report and also published the same onto Power BI service, but now let's understand few more of the visualizations which will help us to create an impressive Power BI report in front of your users. So see you in the next session.